Good morning, Ures. Today's Sunday, the 3rd of May. We are now on week 5 and today's lesson 1 of 4. So today's lesson, we are going to do the consolidation questions at the end of the chapter, which is on page 190, and we are doing questions 1 to 3. So to begin with, we have these examples in the consolidation part, which is just a reminder of how we do questions. So for example, here you have a class of 37 7-year-olds were asked to take what sort of job they would like to do when they grow up. Here's their answers. So to put this information in a pie chart, so you remember, so you got to work out the angles. So the way we did it here, so said, okay, add up the frequency. So then, okay, the way we did it here is, so the 360 divided by the 30 times the 10 to give them the angles they needed. You could have done it the way we've done it in that lesson. So, you choose the method that you're most comfortable with. Then the example 2, the heights of 25 children measured to the nearest centimeter are shown in the diagram. So part A is what is interval, what interval is the most, and remember the mode is one of the highest frequencies. So you can see here that the highest frequency was there. So that's 145 to 150, okay? Then the example 3, the depth of water in a tidal river over 12-hour period is shown. So here you've got the table at 3 o'clock, it was 1.2 meters, 5 o'clock, 2.6. So again, it shows you here on the line graph how the depth of the water changes with the tide over the period of the day. So draw the line graph of its time series. Use your line to estimate the depth of the river at 6 o'clock. So if you look at 6 o'clock, that's roughly about here. So draw a line up, go across, and as an estimate, you could say that the depth of the water was about 3.4 meters in depth. When was high tide? So when was the tide the highest? So again, this time you can read from down going. So the high tide is around 9. And then, do you think joining with straight lines is appropriate? And joining a straight line assumes constant increase or decrease in water levels. This may not be the case, but it will give a good estimate. So again, these are just examples. You have example 4 here on the stem and leaf diagram style question. Example 5 is again comparing distributions of data. So you have the biology results and physics results, and you can do your comparison analysis of the data. Again, all the examples are from the book, so you can read it from there or read it from the screen. So the questions for today, exercise 12. Dave sells soft drinks at his stall in the market. His sales for this week are shown in the bar chart. So here's a chart of bottles of soft drinks sold this week. So you've got Coke, lemonade, orange, pineapple, water, mango, and peach. How many bottles of soft drink has Dave sold altogether? So again, read from the frequency. So here you can see that he sold about 35 units of Coke, just over 21, which is 21 lemonade. Add them all together to get this answer. Which drink should Dave keep the largest stock of? So if he's selling orange the most, so that's the most popular, so you would assume that he needs to make sure he has plenty of orange juice in stock because that's what customers tend to buy a lot. Question 2, you have this table. The table gives the number of graduate subjects from CV College. So calculate the number of students that graduated. So again, just add up the total. What angle of pie chart would represent one graduate? So the total, 360 divided by the total of the graduates to give you 1 degree, and draw a pie chart to show this information. So from example 1 and all the examples I've done before, you should be able to quite confidently now draw the pie chart, but please make sure you use your compass and protractor and ruler, and we need to give the pie chart a title and a key to explain what all your different segments mean. So you need a segment for maths, physics, biology, science, sociology, and accounting. And if you want to do this, you can do it on a spreadsheet, so either Excel or Google Sheets. It's very easy. Just put this information on the table on the spreadsheet, select the data, go to the chart wizard, select the options for pie chart, and the wizard will do the work for you. Question 3. The table shows a number of people employed at a building firm. Draw a bar chart to represent this information. So you remember with bar charts, you have gaps in between the data. It's sort of like a histogram where there's no gaps. Again, you can do this by hand or do it on a computer software like Excel or Google's sheet. If you know, I can help you with that, or if you just go onto YouTube and put in the search question, how to draw bar charts using Excel or Google Sheets, I'm sure you'll find plenty of very easy to follow tutorials on how to just put this information on the spreadsheet, select it, go to Chart Wizard, click on bar charts, and Excel will do the work for you. Okay, so those are the 3 questions for today's lesson. Tomorrow, we're going to continue with question 4 to 6. So you'll have question 4, 5, and 6 to do on Monday. Tuesday's off. Then on Wednesday, we'll continue with questions 7 to 10. And that will be the end of the questions. And then on Thursday's lesson, I will go through the solutions to these questions. So as you do them, I will look through them. Then on Thursday, I'll put the video up showing the solutions to all 10 questions, and we can mark and review our work. Okay, any questions, any problems, let me know. I'll send you the code for Zoom and we can have a one-to-one lesson, or there could be a small group of you, I don't really mind. As always, you know, try your best. Try and do the work each day. Don't let it pile up to the end. Remember to copy, show your workings, copy the question. Well, not all questions need copying. These questions don't need copying. You just need to show your workings of how you worked out the angles, how you worked out the charts and everything. Apart from that, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch up with you guys on Sunday. Okay?